Namaskar everyone, my name is Astro Anshul. I'm an astrologer, numerologist and Vastu consultant. Today I'll share with you what all results Rahu will be giving when it is there in the 10th house of a Patrika in a person's chart. Well, 10th house is the house of name and fame. It shows respect, it shows dignity, it shows what kind of profession a person is in. So when Rahu comes here, as Rahu is a malefic planet, so what happens in this person's life? What happens with his name and fame? Does he rise in his life or he face defamation? This all will be covered in this video. So before starting the video, I'll request you all to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So let's start. Well, 10th house is the house which shows how much famous a person is. It shows dignity of a person. 10th house also shows government organization. The relation of a person with the government organizations are shown by the 10th house. 10th house also shows your father. So what happens when Rahu comes here? As Rahu is a planet which is malefic in nature, and Rahu always want to achieve more and more in his life. Rahu is a manipulative energy. So when Rahu is there in the 10th house, the person becomes very much concerned about his dignity, about his respect. He always try to achieve a good social status in his life, and they are ready to go to any extent to achieve that. From here, it also shows a person's relations with his father. The person remains very concerned about their father life. Like they always remain attached, they always keep on thinking about their father, they remain very much connected to their father. As whilst Rahu in the 10th house, it is aspecting your 2nd house, 4th house and 6th house. So when it aspects your 4th house is the house of mother. So discontentment in the relationship with your mother arises here with this placement. The relation with your mother remains very uneasy as compared to the relation with the father. And these people will always remain unhappy in their professional life because they want to achieve more and more in this life. They always want to have authoritative position with this placement. They want to keep on rising, and this greed or this craving for getting recognition is so much high that this placement proves very nice, very good placement for a person to become or to rise in his career, in his life. This is a very well placement for a person who is connected with foreign land or who is connected with research work. This is a good placement for a person who is into social media. But this placement also, forces a person to create some kind of fake image also, because they are ready to portray something else which they are not in real life. Because when Rahu is there in the 10th house, they will work harder, to get recognized in social media. And Rahu from here is aspecting your 2nd house. So these people have a tendency of lying also. They are not good with their family members, and they have discontentment with them. They have nature of not speaking truth. Like they lie off and on. They lie is very easy for them when Rahu is placed here. From 10th house, it is aspecting 2nd house, then it aspects your 4th house, which creates problem with the mother. Relations are very hard with their mother. They become very argumentative with them. Then it aspects your 6th house. But in 6th house, when Rahu is aspecting, it creates, it becomes very well placement, because 6th house is the house of enemies. So Rahu here controls the enemy, and they are able to get rid of their enemies when Rahu is placed in the 10th house. If we see as per numerology, career wise, this placement is the best placement, as it is a part of Upachya house, 10th house. So people with Rahu in the 10th house keeps on rising. They should be associated, or they should start working in some kind of foreign assignments or things related to foreign lands. They should be connected with that here. if we will connect this or we will check with the numerology, this placement, then in numerology, if the total number comes to 1, if the date of birth total comes to 1, that becomes destiny 1, then it is bound to happen that these people will get highest name and fame in their life, because Rahu in the 10th house will help them to rise with the good placement, with the benefic nakshatra. Rahu should be placed in the benefic nakshatra here. It should be placed in the sun, moon, Mercury or Venus nakshatra. Then it will be giving the best result. Or in the Jupiter nakshatra also, it will help a person to rise in his life. Plus, when in numerology the total number becomes 1, it becomes destiny 1, then the person is bound to rise and to get name and fame in his life. Okay, so guys, this was my observation on Rahu in the 10th house. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel, and if you have any query, you may WhatsApp me or you may write down your questions in the chat box below. So thank you all. Have a nice day. Namaskar.